everyone, this is how my painting looked after I run out of memory. If you missed that video, I'm going to put it included for you guys in the description box. And all I'm doing right now is just dipping my round brush in the white. I'm using Artist Loft white, and I'm just tapping away to create that water effect in there, which I am enjoying a lot. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I'm really enjoying doing this. So I am going to write down the colors and what I'm doing in there, and I want to thank Richard Jan for sharing his videos and his techniques and his work in our group, Acrylic Art Paintings group on Facebook, and he was the inspiration for this painting. And remember, guys, I don't know anything. This is my very first one. So if I can do this, so can you, I promise. And you won't have to record yourself doing it if you don't want to. But just challenge yourself, try something new, and who knows? We never know what we're capable of until we try it. And so I'm definitely enjoying this, and I hope that you also guys enjoy the tango that I'm gonna play for you. And as a dedication, dedicating this video to our friends in Argentina who just celebrated their Independence Day on the 25th of May. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Come visit us and share your work. And until next time, guys, keep painting.